How to share Instagram post to Facebook story. Start by opening the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. On this page, scroll down and go over to any post from here. If you want to share this post, then tap on the share icon below the post. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. Tap on Add to Story. Here, tap on your stories below to post this to your story. This posts the story to both Instagram and Facebook. After posting, open the story again to view it. After that, go back and open up the Facebook application. As you can see, the post has already been shared to your Facebook story as well. Open it to view. Following these steps, you can easily share Instagram post to Facebook story. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.